Digestion of diffuse-able and non-diffuse-able. Human food consists of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, salts, vitamins, and water. Out of these, water, salts, and vitamins are diffused in the bloodstream easily, while proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are non-diffuse-able food substances, and unless they are digested, they cannot be absorbed by the blood. Thus, the conversion of non-diffuse-able food substances into diffuse-able one by the action of various types of enzymes is known as digestion. Digestion of food in man. The organs in which digestion takes place are called digestive organs, while the system which is composed of them is known as digestive system. 1 Alimentary. 2 Digestive gland. 1 Alimentary. The process of digestion takes place in a long tube known as the alimentary canal. This tube begins from the mouth and ends at the anus. It consists of the following parts: 1 buccal, 2 pharynx, 3 esophagus, 4 stomach, 5 small intestine, 6 large intestine. Digestive glands. The glands which are concerned to the digestion are as under: 1 salivary glands, 2 liver, 3 pancreas, 4 gastric glands, 5 intestinal glands. Digestion in buccal cavity. The process of digestion starts from the buccal cavity. When the food enters into the buccal cavity, the teeth break up the food into small pieces. During this, saliva juice produced by salivary glands is mixed with the food thoroughly with the help of tongue. Saliva contains an enzyme in it known as ptyalin, which converts the starches of the food into simple sugar like glucose. Saliva plus starch equals glucose. It also contains a slippery substance called mucin, which helps in swallowing the food. The pharynx, buccal cavity, opens behind a short, white and muscular portion called pharynx. This is an important part of the alimentary canal, though this part does not take part in digestion. Yet it is important because it has 7 openings leading to nose, lungs, mouth, ears, and stomach. On the ventral side pharynx there is an opening which leads into larynx or voice box. This opening is guarded by a lid called epiglottis. This lid closes when food from the mouth passes over it. Esophagus. The esophagus is a tube that connects pharynx and stomach. This tube is about 25 to 30 centimeters long. No physical or chemical change takes place in food when it passes through the oesophagus. The walls of esophagus are muscular and they push the food along till it passes into the stomach. Stomach. The esophagus opens into an oval bag about 25 centimeters in length, called the stomach. Its broad end is called the cardiac end, lies to the left side, and the narrow end called the pyloric end lies to the right side of the abdomen. The walls of the stomach consists of 4 coats. The inner coat of the stomach have many glands called gastric glands, which produce a juice called the gastric juice. The gastric juice is a clear, sour, colorless liquid, consists of water, hydrochloric acid, and 2 enzymes called pepsin and renin.